Do you want to add this kind of animation movement to an image, or this kind of, or this kind of, or this kind of 3D animation in just single click? Let's see how to do that. So this is the website. You can see I have already opened convert.leiapix.com. So this website helps us to make the image animated, add the movement to the image, or we can say make it 3D. I have already provided the link of this tool in the description. So you just click on that link and it will take you to this website. After coming to the website, you just need to sign up with your Google account and you will be able to see screen like this. You can see here, bring your images to life. Leiapix converter lets you turn any of your favorite images into stunning depth animations. So it helps us images turn into depth animations. Now let's see practically. So if you want to manage your account, so you can just click on these three lines and here you can see manage account, and if you want to sign out, so you can do that here. Okay, to add the animation, you just need to click on this plus icon here. You can add animation to the any image, not there is no requirements, specific requirement. So I'll just take this simple image. Okay, and this tool is adding the animation. So you can see this tool made this image 3D animated. So here are different settings that we will see. I'll just take the different image, just back, plus this image, open. Okay, now this tool added the animation. So here are different settings. So here is the watch kind of icon. You can see here, if you just click on that, so we can decide animation timing, like this is a 3 second. Okay, we can make it 6 second as well. So if we increase the time, so it will get slow. Okay, and if we keep the less time, then it will move fastly. You can see I'll just keep 3. Okay, so you can just explore this thing. Here you can see this is another customization option. So here we can like customize like how that image should move. Okay, so default now this, now I'm just selecting this. So this is kind of owl shape. This is circle. So this image is taking movement like a circle. After that, this another circle you can see. And this is the new added. Let's see this as well. Okay. So according to your need, you can use the shape and move your image. Now this option. So this option is just controlling how much this image should move. Okay, if you just click on less, so it's moving less. Okay, if regular, then normal. Okay, if more, so it's moving fastly, you can see. Okay, after that this option, this customization option tells from which point the image should move. So if I just say close, okay, so it will start moving from the starting. If I say center, so it will move from the center. Okay, if I say far, so it is moving from far. You can see far, then center, close. Okay, so you can customize your image like this. So this option we already saw. After that this option you can see here, we can just customize this. If you want to change the depth, okay, depth, size, okay, so that we can customize here. Hardness, after that opacity, so we can do all of that thing, and we just click on this tick icon. Okay, and that much of depth and whatever we have added, that is added to the image. you can see. And simply after editing, you can just click on this share icon and you will be able to download. So save to your device. So you can save. So I'll just saving it as a MP4, let's say. Save. So rather than posting the normal photo, what you can do, you can just use this tool and you can just add the movement and edit according to your need, and you can post. So that would be more attractive than the static image. Okay, so you can see it is downloaded. So according to need, you can just download your video as well. So likewise, you can download your animated image. So this was just for the demo purpose, but you can make the changes according to your need. Here also, if you don't have the images, very good images, okay, so what you can do, you can just go to this tool on this website playgroundai.com. So here you can find very amazing images. Okay, so this is the text to image AI tool. If you want any particular image, so you can just search, or if you want to create, so you can do that as well. I will just download one image and we will just add the movement to that image. I'm just downloading this image. Okay, download. If you don't know about this tool, how to use this tool, so I have already made one video. This video help us to create 1000 images per day free of cost, and we can use these images commercially as well. So if you haven't watched my video on this topic, so I have provided the link in the description, or you can check the I button for this video. So do watch Playground AI video after watching this video. So this was the image. So I'm just adding the animation to this image. So I'm just going, okay, I'm just clicking on plus. Okay, I just downloaded this, so I'm just opening it. Yeah, so you can see, isn't it amazing? It's feeling like that owl is actually moving. It is giving us that kind of feeling. Okay, and you can make the changes as I told you. So this was the tool. I hope you have understood whatever I have explained. If you want to learn about Playground AI tool, then click on left video. Or if you want to know about how to create talking AI avatar, then click on right video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.